Step 1. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB port on the car. Open all apps, tools, file management. Select USB and install two screen mirroring apps. After installation, there are two additional application icons. Turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot function. Step 2. Connect the TV to the car's Wi-Fi hotspot. Navigate to Settings, About Device, Android version. Click on the MCU version 5 times and enter the password. Click above to install with one click. After installation, two application icons appear. Open the screen mirroring app. No login required. Remember the device name on the top left. Open the same app on TV. Select phone number to log in. Enter your phone number to obtain the verification code and log in. Click to cast to TV and click the name of the car device. Swipe up and click Start Now. Swipe up and click Start Now. Open the screen mirroring application, and you will see the device name at the top of the interface. The same software is also opened on the TV. Select Search Device and click on the name of the car device. Click to Screencast. Click on the upper right corner to grant permission. The menu on the right side of the car's dashboard can be operated